Hello everyone and welcome to another exciting episode of our Offer Spotlight series. I'm very excited to be here in India with Sumati Sagal, managing the operation of home and distribution in India. The offer in focus today is Miluz Lara, the new wiring devices range designed for the modern construction era in India. Miluz Lara is crafted to meet the evolving needs of home builders. It's a smart choice for modern buildings and homes. With a keen focus on safety, durability and innovation, Miluz Lara offers a differentiated solution for the residential market and home builders. It presents a perfect wiring devices range, addressing the specific needs of modern construction methods. Before to go in the detail of the offer, Sumati, may you tell us more about wiring device here in India and how Miluz Lara will be really impactful for our customers?
Thanks, Denis. And hello, everyone. The home builder market in India is expanding, and with the growing housing needs in India across both mass and premium housing, the industry's needs are also ever evolving. We are well poised to cater to these specific demands of home builders and helping them meet these challenges head on. Home builders are increasingly turning to Mivan construction and for its efficiency in bringing homes to markets faster. But with this method comes the need for wiring device solutions that seamlessly integrate into thinner metal boxes, a departure from conventional setups. The wiring devices market is rapidly evolving to meet these demands, embracing new technologies such as C-type USB ports, fast charging capabilities, and much more. These enhancements are becoming pivotal in delivering the modern, tech-savvy homes that today's buyers crave. Moreover, the home builders are on a mission to set their projects apart, offering customers top-notch solutions like automation and energy efficiency. It's about providing not just houses, but smart, sustainable homes that enrich lives. Ultimately, home builders constantly seek the best value for their customers, and that's where we come in. This is all from my side. Over to you, Denis.
Thanks, Sumati, for explaining the trend in the Indian wiring device market. To deep dive more into this offer, I have Schneider, the offer manager for Miluz Lara, with me here, who will share with you the amazing details of Miluz Lara.
Thank you, Denis. Thank you, Sumati. And hello to all our viewers. I'm excited to introduce you to the brand new wiring devices range for modern buildings and homes, Miluz Lara. In the fast-paced world of modern construction, builders are racing to adopt new technologies like Mivan, aiming for faster time to market and optimized labor costs. However, with these advancements come unique challenges, such as the need for electrical wiring devices that can accommodate thinner walls. Here is where Miluz Lara comes into picture. With its innovative design and adaptability, it addresses the pain point of modern home builders. Miluz Lara is designed to fit perfectly in a 40 mm box, providing ample room for wiring while meeting the requirement of Mivan construction. Inspired by the dewdrop, Miluz Lara's rounded edges merge seamlessly with any walls, minimizing dust accumulation. Its switches are not just aesthetically pleasing, they are tested for durability with the lifespan of 30 years at 15 clicks a day. From switches to sockets, fan regulators to dimmers, USBs to modern network connectivity, Miluz Lara offers a complete range of functionalities in two versatile colors, white and anthracite, ensuring a seamless integration with any interior. But that's not all. It goes beyond the ordinary, offering unique functions like the air quality indicator and voltage surge protector. Connectivity is key, and Miluz Lara seamlessly integrates with the new visor, allowing home builders to upgrade their projects. This is all from my side now. Back to you, Denis.
Thank you, Schneider, for that amazing presentation of Miluz Lara. You have put the offer to the forefront. For sure, none of this would have been achievable without the unwavering dedication of our entire project team, from the supply chain, from the business, from the operation. Thank you, Sumati, for being with us here today. I would like here to extend my heartfelt thanks to the teams for their exceptional commitment and creativity to deliver Miluz Lara, which has been designed with our customers in the entire development life cycle. As we conclude this episode, it's important to tell you that we have a lot more exciting episodes to come. So until then, stay tuned, stay connected. See you soon.